Right, part A. Factorise 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Now this is just what's known as an expression. It's not an equation, so you just got to put this into two brackets. Now, because there's a 3 in front, it becomes a little bit more difficult. So you might want to consider using the product sum factors method. The product says take this number times this number. So 3 times minus 6, which is minus 18. And the sum then is the middle number, plus 7. You have to consider the signs in front of them. And then you need to find the factors. The factors are two numbers whose product is minus 18, and sum of the same two numbers is 7. So obviously maybe 2 and 9 will work, but one of them will have to be negative and one of them will have to be positive, otherwise we won't get minus 18. So if we try minus 2 and 9, and you can always check the product, minus 2 times 9 gives you minus 18, that's okay, and you must fulfill both conditions. Minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 7, that's okay as well. Product, it means multiplication, sum means add together. Then you take the expression, which is 3x squared, and you split the middle term up into minus 2x plus 9x, and then you also put in the minus 6 at the end. Now it doesn't matter which way round you write these two. We haven't changed the meaning of the expression, it's still 7x in the middle. And then you factorize by grouping the first two terms together. The common factor here is going to be x, and what's left we're going to have 3x minus 2 plus the common factor here of 3, and then also we're going to get 3x minus 2. Now if you've done this process correctly, here and here you always have the same common factor, and it can come out, so you end up being 3x minus 2 x plus 3. That is the answer to factorising that expression. Part B, it says solve the equation 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. So you've got 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now you don't have to go through all this process again, but what we need to remember that this is an equation, so we're going to get actual values for this, and this is an expression. So learn the difference between the two. This is not equal to anything, this is equal to something. It's equal to 0. Right. So we can take our answer to this bit as the first bit. So it's 3x minus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we've got two brackets equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0, or this is equal to 0, or both are equal to 0. So either 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, adding 2 gives 3x is equal to 2, dividing by 3 gives x is equal to 2 over 3, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, subtracting 3 from both sides, x is equal to minus 3. So we have two solutions, x is minus 3, or x is equal to 2/3. So this has been a video to show you how to factorize a quadratic expression and then use that answer to solve a quadratic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.